Valerie from Cyprus has some water issues.
Well, actually, it's a friend bought a condo in 2015, and Valerie's asking for a friend. So
Got it?
Valerie writes, every year there's been a water issue. First the roof, then the stucco. Now the patio keeps leaking on the second floor. During the freeze, the downstairs bathroom had a leak from a poorly installed sink drain. He has spent tons to repair each thing, but the patio issue will not go away. What kind of repairman does he need to ensure that this is done correctly and permanently, Tom?
I love the term "will not go away."
Right.
If a lot of people think, and I know she's probably just the way it worded, she wasn't thinking in this aspect, but some people do. Oh, if I just ignore it, someday it'll go away. But it doesn't go away. It has to be fixed. And I'm sorry she had all these problems with their house. But you have to fix water leaks. And as far as that goes, it's time to get an expert waterproofer company in the Houston area or anywhere around that area. Ideal Roofing, have them come out and take a look at it. It's probably not going to be an easy thing to fix, although maybe it will. But that gets to be tricky when you have a patio that's leaking and you try doing, I'm sure they tried the simple stuff like caulking this and trying to put a little sealer here, but it's probably going to be an internal flashing detail problem or some kind of building detail problem that might have to all be redone and done properly with a different type of roofing fabric and a different way to lay down the patio. I'm not sure, but Ideal Roofing would be a company to call in our area. If not, a good waterproofing roofing company would be the people to call because it's a roof even though you walk on it.
Yeah, and you say that there are roofers and there are waterproofers, and how can you know? Let's say that she's called somebody else. How can she know that a roofer is qualified to do that kind of thing, Tom?
Well, the best thing I can say is this. It's going to be a roofing company that is well established, does industrial, commercial, and residential work. I'm not talking, and people can confuse about a roofing/waterproofing professional company with someone who can put on simple roofs and just get a few friends. They put shingles on, they tear the old ones off. They put the drip edge on and maybe even install a ridge vent, and that's about all their skill set will let them do. But when it comes to something like this, you want a company that's big enough and well established enough to where they do commercial and residential roofing too. You'll see it even on their websites and things like this. It'll be pretty obvious. It's not your typical guy down the street who has a little sign on his truck from the magnetic store saying, I put roofs on. It's different.
But make no mistake, we recommend Ideal Roofing. They're one of our home show pros.
Oh, yes. You
got a question? Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button there, and it'll take you to that page right there where you can fill out the form, send the picture, just like Valerie did, and we can answer it just like this. And we're happy to do that. Tom loves to answer the questions. We love to post them, and you'll find them at Facebook, at the Home Show Radio Facebook page, or the Home Show Radio YouTube channel. And you're welcome to subscribe, click the bell, and then you'll know when we post a new one.